What up, it's your boy, back at it again. So today, we got some wings. We gonna call this the sticky finger challenge. I got some Worcestershire sauce right here. Just gonna put that in there. And now I got some of my favorite rub mixed up. Alright, go ahead and mix them up in a bowl. Alright, so stay tuned. About to go wash my hands, get ready to put these on the grill. Thanks you guys for tuning into this video. Appreciate the support. Make sure you drop a comment below and please hit that subscribe button. Peace out.